Damn, I wasn't recording for shit. Back at the house for the 9-4. Man, I wonder what happened to Tony's head. They got one in the shoulder. Yeah, the one works in the evening. You see this Mustang?
Oh, that's his car?
Yeah.
Hey. I was wondering whose car that was.
That was his. I'm like, what the hell happened to him?
Probably trying to come to work this morning and run into some black ice. Yes,
Probably.
sir.
The blades, please.
The Doco?
Yes, Dorcos. No.
Which one?
The
This one?
derbies, yeah. Please. And do you have a 7 or a 6 on the wall cutting guides? 6 or a 7?
No, I think 4 is the largest.
My 6 just broke.
No, we have 4.
Dang. Okay, that's fine.
Oh, you have customers today?
Nah, the guy I work with cuts like super fast, and I'm really slow.
Yeah, because I thought everybody's still at home, kids at home, everybody's still at home.
There was probably like 20 clients that came,
Really?
and I only got like 4.
What?
Yeah.
Wow. That's okay.
Yeah, it happens.
Yeah.
I'll be fine.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
You have a great day.
You too.
Thanks.
Bye-bye. No, you're good. Oh, shit. How you doing?
Yeah, just say que usted cada uno tiene que nosotros. I think the register open. Open up.
Can I get a 6-piece wings?
Well, I'm not even in the clock. Getting the clock in again. I still gotta fix my time for the other day. I haven't fixed it yet.
A 6-piece wings? Beto.
Is that for the tea machine?
It's just the wings, not the
Okay,
combo.
so for just the chicken by itself, the smallest we offer is 10.
Oh, I'm gonna get
Oh, I have to get 10?
That's the smallest.
it's cold.
How much is that?
13.41.
$13.41 just for the wings?
Or you can do a 6-piece combo for $12.44.
Okay, yeah, but put celery and carrots. 6-piece.
Ranch blue cheese and mustard.
Ranch blue cheese.
Honey mustard or cheese sauce.
Blue cheese.
And the wings, what flavor?
The hickory barbecue.
Anything else, Beto? Right here?
To go.
12.44 cash.
It comes with a drink?
Yeah.
Okay.